the top. Good evening, friends. So here are the ingredients for the lovely prawn pulao that we just prepared. So let's look at what went into making it. We have rice, 2 cups. These are, I think, kind of basmati rice or pulao rice. Of course, we have the prawns. They are a bit big in size, but will do. We then have 2 onions, which we're going to slice. The tomatoes that we're going to slice. We have some turmeric. It's going to be done in ghee, pure ghee. We have some bay leaves, 3 or 4. We have a teaspoon of cumin. We have 4 or 5 cloves. We have cinnamon, very little bit, 1 inch. We have star anise. We have a Maggi cube, right, and we also have the Green Reachad Masala. So let's start with, we have added a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of turmeric, and we mix this and leave it. Okay, so we have our 2 onions which are chopped. We have the 3 tomatoes chopped. We also have some fresh coriander that we can add. So let's begin.
So pot is getting hot. So we're adding the ghee right now. That's around 2 tablespoons or 4 teaspoons.
To reduce the heat, to that we are going to add our star anise and our black cardamom.
So that we're going to add cumin and our cloves and our cinnamon. Also, 2 babies that we have. We have 3.
Just keep the flame on low. We don't want these spices to get burned. Alright, so now we'll add our onions. Alright, we're going to add a bit of salt, half a teaspoon. Okay, we're going to add tomatoes. Tomatoes are done. I'm going to add the Green Reachad paste. 2 tablespoons. Okay, we're going to fry it 2 minutes before we add the prawns, so that the rawness is gone and we get all the flavors. So right now it's really aromatic. Let it fry. So masala is fried well. At this time we are going to add the Maggi cube. Let's check the prawns. So we have these jumbo prawns, but we don't have small prawns. So we're using these. Mini prawn will do. Guys, now it's been 2 minutes since we added the prawn. So what we'll do is we'll reduce the flame and add hot water a little bit, maybe 1/4 of a cup. So we added 1/4 of a cup of hot water, and you need to keep 3 cups of hot water ready when you add the rice. You don't need to add cold water at all. You need to keep some water hot and ready. So let these cook, sit in here and cook. It's time to add our rice. Okay, so it's over a minute. We'll now add the rice. Prawns are looking right now. You can see they are fully cooked, they're curled up. boiled up nicely, which means they are done. Let's add a rice.
Add rice. So I said before, this is 2 cups of raw rice. So need the water above the rice in the pot. That's hot water that's been added. That's the remaining the rice. Okay, it's time to give it a mix and add the hot water now. So just about an inch above the rice. And we need to move this pot to a low flame once it comes to a boil.
This is all set. So what we do now, cover it. Let it come to a boil, and then we'll move it to the smaller flame. It's almost 10 minutes on a low flame. Let's give it a check. Okay, it's pretty good. Give it another 10 minutes or 5 minutes, and it should be done. Alright, so that's 10 minutes. What I'm going to do now is add a simmer plate here. Place it like this. I'm going to open it, wait for 5 more minutes, and we shut off the gas. And in the next 5 minutes, we're going to serve and eat. Alright, guys. Prawn pulao is ready, and this is how it looks. So we are going to add some lovely basic salad. Okay, on the side over here, like this, and also garnish the top. I hope you like this video, and do follow and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.